Uncover the roots, the 5 Why method, a simple and effective solution to solve any problem. The 5 Why method was developed at Toyota as a problem-solving technique. It is based on the principle that most problems have multiple causes and that by asking why multiple times, it is possible to uncover the root cause of a problem. The 5 Why method is a simple and straightforward approach to problem solving that can be applied to a wide range of problems, from technical issues to business challenges. It involves asking the question why 5 times to determine the underlying cause of a problem, rather than simply addressing symptoms. The method is designed to encourage creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration, as it encourages individuals to look at a problem from different angles and to keep asking questions until they reach the root cause. The 5 Why method can be used in a variety of settings, including businesses, schools, and healthcare organizations. It is often used in conjunction with other problem-solving methods, such as the Ishikawa diagram or root cause analysis, to create a comprehensive approach to solving complex problems. Let us look at a real-time example. Let's say there is a problem with an assembly line in a manufacturing factory, causing frequent machine downtime. Let us start by asking the 5 whys. 1. Why is the machine downtime happening? Answer at first why is, the machine is overheating. 2. Why is the machine overheating? Answer at second why is, the cooling system is not functioning properly. 3. Why is the cooling system not functioning properly? Answer at third why is, there is a clog in the coolant system. 4. Why is there a clog in the coolant system? Answer at fourth why is, there is a buildup of debris from poor maintenance practices. 5. Why are there poor maintenance practices? And finally, the answer at fifth why is, adequate training and lack of resources for maintenance staff. By asking why 5 times, the team has identified that inadequate training and lack of resources for maintenance staff is the root cause of the machine downtime, rather than just addressing the symptom of the overheating machine. The team can then focus on providing the maintenance staff with proper training and resources to prevent similar issues in the future. To sum up, the 5 Why method reveals the true cause of the underlying issues, allowing for effective solutions beyond mere symptom fixing. Thank you for tuning in. We'd be grateful if you'd consider subscribing to our channel.